Thanks for stopping by again, viewers. I have two different kind of Glock here. The other one's 43X, the other one's Glock 19 Gen 4. As you can see, they have two setup here. It's the same. I use a red dot Trijicon. They're very identical for this Glock, but the different one, the other one is small one, and the other one is a little bit bigger. I both shoot this pistol. They have very nice grouping there when I shoot it, and you see, if you see the windows of this one, it's the same because they have the same brand of red dot. And if you see the one in the left side, is they have some co-witness there. I raised the aerosol in the rear, in the front. That's why that one is extend. You can see it. So see, both left and right, they're the same model or the same brand, but the other one, it's a little bit smaller. The Glock is a little bit longer. So see, I give you a close-up look for these two handgun. So they're very reliable. So you can see side to side. I like it. So hopefully you guys like it. So it depends on your taste. So that's the close-up one. I give you a close-up one again, and the other one. So I think that'll be it. So thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. And this one is very short. And have a wonderful day. See you next time again. I'm out. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. And you see my wrench bag too. I bought that one in Walmart. It's a very good handbag. Bye bye.